Are you tired of being interrupted by hiccups? Let's find out why they happen. So, hiccups, we've all had them, but what's really going on in our bodies? It all starts with your diaphragm, that muscle under your lungs that helps you breathe. Sometimes it gets irritated, could be from eating too fast, drinking soda, or even getting too excited. When the diaphragm spasms, it causes a sudden gulp of air. This makes your vocal cords snap shut, creating that classic hic sound. Fun fact, hiccups usually go away on their own, but if they stick around, try holding your breath or sipping some water slowly. So next time you get the hiccups, remember, it's just your body's quirky way of telling you to chill out. Got a weird body question? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun science facts.